This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love with this all-brick custom ranch on half-acre lot with great curb appeal in sought-after Victoria Park. Soaring ceilings throughout first floor. 5 bedrooms includes frog. Open floor plan with neutral colors light and bright. Gourmet kitchen with double ovens, double sinks, and spacious island that seats 7. Eat-in breakfast area can be used as a coffee bar, wine bar, or office space, formal dining room, gas fireplaces in family room and in primary bedroom. Primary bedroom has a connected room that can be used as an office space, nursery, or workout room with access to patio. Primary bath with double sinks, large walk-in shower, and jetted tub. Backyard features a covered lanai and wet bar with patio, great for entertaining, koi pond and fountain and plenty of room for a pool. Corner lot with side-load garage. Neighborhood features lots of green space, easy access to Kellam High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.